If the Merovingian Knot sounds like a villain's name from some famous movie, you're probably correct. Merovingian is the bad guy in the second Matrix film, which is why this knot is also referred to as the Matrix Knot. So basically what I'm trying to say is, this knot will make you look like a badass. You're welcome, Neo. Now before we begin, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. Place the tie around your neck with the wide end lower than the skinny end. Adjust according to your height. Cross the skinny end over the wide end to create a cross. Fold the wide end through the neck loop and pass it down to your right side. Cross the wide end over the knot towards your left. Pull it up through the neck loop from underneath and pass it down to your left side. Wrap the wide end behind the knot and pull it towards your right. Fold it up through the neck loop and bring it down to the center, behind the skinny end. Take the wide end and push it through the loop behind the knot. Oh yeah, now you're looking devilish. Can you see the Matrix now? Blue pill or red pill? For our full range of ties, check out otie.com. Now, smash that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.